In this guide, I'll show you how to change the time zone in Starbrix. Let's start in the personal account. Go to your personal account and click on Settings. Here you'll see the time zone field. Right now, it's set to Paris. Let's change it to London. From now on, your personal account uses the London time zone. This setting affects everything related to dates and times, such as the calendar events, and the planned start and end dates of your projects. You can also change the time zone in an organization account. To do that, select the organization, then deselect the resource, and go to Settings. Here you'll see the time zone setting again. It's still Paris, so let's adjust it to London. It's important that you and your organization use the same time zone. Otherwise, things can get confusing. For example, with a small difference. If your personal account is set to London time but the organization is set to Paris time, a project scheduled for 10 o'clock in the organization might appear as 9 o'clock in your account. That can easily lead to misunderstandings about meetings or deadlines. And with a bigger time difference, it gets even trickier. Imagine the organization is set to Helsinki time, but your personal account is set to New York time. A project planned to end on Friday at 1800 hours Helsinki time would appear in your account as Friday 11 o'clock. You might think you still have the afternoon left. But for the organization, the deadline has already passed. And that's it. Now you know how to adjust the time zone in both your personal and organization accounts in Starbrix.